lime juice. Very fancy mocktail you can try. See. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you a nice fancy mocktail. Actually mocktail name is like in a pan twist. This is very nice mocktail. Actually you can try this mocktail. First of all, take a shaker glass and you have to pour some ice cube into the shaker glass. Then simply what you will do, take a lemon wedges and squeeze 2 lemon into the shaker glass. Very simple mocktail, actually you can try. This is very fancy mocktail. After that what you will do, you have to pour 180 ml of lychee juice. This is lychee juice, lychee and combination of pan syrup. See, 180 ml of lychee juice you have to pour into the shaker. You can add some more 210 ml of lychee juice. After that you have to pour 20 ml of pan syrup. This is the pan syrup. Actually you can pour 20 ml of pan syrup you have to pour. This is the 2-layer based mocktail you can try. Very fancy mocktail. After that you have to shake all the ingredients totally well. Then take a Hurricane glass and pour all the mixing ingredients into the Hurricane glass. Then simply what you will do, you have to take a small decanter and you have to pour 5 ml of red Curacao. This is syrup, and you have to fill the glass with soda. Okay, just mix all the ingredients. Then add some more soda. Okay, pan twist mocktail. Just mix the ingredients and slowly you have to, before that you can serve the mocktail with straw. Okay, after that slowly you have to pour from the, say ice cube is there now, and the top of the ice cube you have to see how the layer will come. You will pour the liquid on top of the ice cube so that it will form some layer. See how the fancy mocktail is ready. You can garnish with lime slices and you can serve the mocktail with pan patta, or you can serve with like mint leaf. See your mocktail. This is the pan twist mocktail you can try. Very fancy mocktail with the combination of pan syrup, lychee juice and red Curacao, soda and lime juice. Very fancy mocktail you can try. See, the very fancy mocktail you can try. I hope you like this mocktail. Okay, I'll just try how the mocktail is. Really very nice mocktail with the flavor of pan and lychee juice and lime juice. Okay, please try this mocktail. Very new mocktail. Like, if you like my mocktail video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Yes.